Looking for a nutritious dish to kick off 2022? Ring in the new year with a mouth-watering meal that's easy to make and delicious to eat. Hi, I'm Erin Good, a Hy-Vee registered dietitian, and today on Hy-Vee Healthy You, I'll show you how to jumpstart your January with my slow cooker Hawaiian pulled pork sandwiches. To get started, place 1.5 pounds of pork tenderloin in an airtight bag. Pork is a great way to bulk up your diet with lean protein, B vitamins, and selenium for immune health. Follow it with a 1/4 cup of coconut aminos, 2 tablespoons of Hy-Vee brown sugar, 1 teaspoon of minced garlic, 1 tablespoon of sriracha, and 1 teaspoon of ginger paste for an added dose of antioxidants. Then, add a teaspoon of sesame oil and 2 cups of pineapple juice, before sealing the bag tightly and placing in the fridge to marinate overnight. The next day, remove the bag and pour the tenderloin and its fellow ingredients into your slow cooker. Now go ahead and cook this on low for 8 hours or high for 4 to 5 hours. Now, shred the pork and set a cup of the cooking juice off to the side. Return the pork to the cooker and coat it with the remaining juice. Use a slotted spoon to place the pork on top of a bun. I like to garnish mine with a pineapple ring and a bit of red cabbage. Once that's done, all that's left is to dig in and enjoy your new dish for the new year. For more Hy-Vee Healthy You recipes, head to Hy-Vee's YouTube channel. And remember, you can always connect virtually with your local Hy-Vee dietitian at hyvee.com/health.